Hey RVers and future RVers, I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We've got a budget-friendly, awesome travel trailer for all you campers. You enjoy the outside, you just need something to rest your head, use the bathroom, maybe eat or get away from that rain. We've got a great economy model by one of the best companies out there, Grand Design. This is the Transcend Xplor 26BHX. Let's dive into it. All right, so what I love about this budget-friendly model is it gives us everything that we want and not have to pay for the things that we don't need, all those frills. Up front, you're gonna need to take all your outdoor equipment, right? Nice big pass-through storage, wide all the way through, accessible from both sides to be able to get all those goodies inside. And since we love the outdoors, camping is all about the outdoors, right? We need that patio time. Check out the big awning behind me. I don't have it all the way out, but you can see it pretty much goes darn near 3/4 of the length of this, probably about 20, 21 foot. And patio time wouldn't be anything without maybe some entertainment. We have our TV and electric hookup here, and we also have the speaker to be able to play some tunes, watch some TV, really enjoy what Mother Nature gives us. And something that you don't always see on on a lot of the budget models, hold tight, you gotta check it out. Voila, an outside kitchen still on a budget model. We have our cooktop that we can get all our wonderful food going. We've got a refrigerator, throw our tasty cold beverages in. And right behind us, plenty of storage to throw all those utensils. Let's get to the back here, talk about a couple excellent features. We are framed out for a ladder, as you can see at the top there, and a backup camera. It's there ready to go, so if you want to spend a little extra money on some security as far as backing up or being able to get a nice telescoping ladder to get up to your roof, there you go. And last but not least, a spray port. Right next to the kitchen, which is ideal. We can spray down all those dirty dishes when we're done. Again, the 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 26BHX. All right, so we made it inside this sleek and modern look camper. Again, it's a budget-friendly camper, but it doesn't feel that way when you're inside. You're gonna see a lot of clean lines, a lot of necessity in a camper that you probably would want to expect, and the livability factor. Let's start up front here. Storage is plentiful in this camper, and it definitely starts up front. I love the fact this little hutch kind of thing here right by the door. I could stow the kids' shoes in there. We could throw some of our keys, wallets, things like that in the drawers, and a nice little bar top, if you will, with electric outlet, maybe to throw maybe a coffee pot or something. Plenty of storage up top here. It has access to your stereo controls. You can put your size, your own TV up there the way you want it for entertainment. Some extra storage here. And as you're gonna see, well, you can probably already see behind me with the bunk beds, but we have a nice big booth here that's easily going to be able to sit 4 people. But we have kids that come with us. Guess what? They're gonna have friends that they wanna ask to come along too. So if you need this into a bed, it's still accessible, doubles down as your another sleeping space. Just don't do that. And there you go, 2 kids, maybe the dog, whatever, you have another extra sleeping space to be able to cram even more camping buddies with you. Up top here on the bunk beds, they are full length bunk bed, probably like a double size bed, so you can get maybe 2 kids or 1 adult or something. We have a nice window here. There's light on both bunks here at the wall. We even have charging ports here, whether it's gonna be electric or a USB 12-volt charge. Plenty of storage underneath. You can throw maybe some of your like big bulky items, especially duffel bags, book bags, if you got the kiddos along with you. Nice size bathroom for this camper. We have linen storage, we have medicine cabinet, we have storage below the sink, obviously the toilet, nice big shower, with a lot of natural light through the skylight, and I'm 6'1", so you got plenty of head height. So really good space, or usage of space here. Again, budget model, but they're not sacrificing on any of the functionality to this camper. Let's move out to the front. Nice sofa here, no frills to it. Hey, you're out camping, you're probably gonna be outside most of the time enjoying the outdoors. Just need a place to set your butt and enjoy maybe a movie or something, decompress, or if it is a light rain, you could sit here and enjoy your morning coffee. But again, there's another way to have an extra sleeping space that you can easily change into if you got a couple extra. Storage below the sofa, full depth there. So again, you could throw a lot of board games, maybe a bunch of bottled water, things like that that you want to perhaps get out of the way and don't need immediately. I love the fact that they even still, Grand Design is notorious for taking care of the pets. Got a nice pet drawer here that we can pull out, throw our four-legged friends some food and some water. Good size storage, 12-volt refrigerator, plenty of depth, plenty of space to throw all those goodies. If you're gonna sleep, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe upwards to 8 people, you need this here to be able to have all your goodies to feed all those hungry mouths. You got your microwave, of course your 3-burner cooktop here, do some nice cooking, and some big, deep drawers here to stow all your nice pots and pans. And the last part of the kitchen area, look at all that storage. We've got some nice usage of upper cabinets, a lot of space in the lower cabinets, mixed in with some drawers. And I like how they even gave us a nice trash can drawer here, or a pull out, so we can easily keep this out of the way and keep the floor space free of that. Big stainless steel sink, and forgive our little antifreeze catch there, but we also have a nice spray port that we can pull out and easily wash up a lot of our dirty kitchen items. Couple outlets, again, throw some more electronic or electrical devices, maybe like a I don't know, hot pad, or again, maybe put your coffee pot over here. Let's get into the last part of this camper. And your main bedroom. It's a nice big queen bed, plenty of storage up at the top, a lot of storage below that we can throw tons of like blankets and things, like big bulky items, again, that we may not need all the time. Shirt closets, storage cubby hole space there, even some cubby hole space at the head of the bed, and both sides, again, like the bunk beds, have a 12-volt USB charge port and a 110. So got a lot of lighting, a lot of lights. Budget friendly, yeah, but it doesn't appear. Again, sleek and modern look. This is the 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 26BHX. All right, so there you have it. What do you think? 2 thumbs up? I definitely give it 2 thumbs up. A budget-friendly travel trailer that has all this stuff, and damn, does it look good. Again, it's the 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 26BHX. Comment below. We want to hear your first impressions and maybe any big questions on some of the stuff that we glazed through. And don't forget to show us some love, smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you out at the campsites.